When designing your raised bed garden layout, have you ever wondered whether it's best to orient your beds north or south or east or west? If so, this video is for you. Is one better than the other, or is it the layout within the bed that matters most? That's the very question we'll be addressing today. Is you're giving thought as to how to lay out your beds within your garden? Is it better to orient them north or south or east or west? Well, if you're in a full sun environment, it really shouldn't matter because by the end of the day, all the plants should get enough light. But what does matter is how the plants are positioned within the bed. So if you live north of the equator, the sun is coming from a southern exposure. Just as you're watching me, it's coming towards my face at a slight angle. So you want to put the tallest plants on the north side of the garden. So for example, if this were a summertime where the plants are really tall like tomatoes and corn, you would put them on the north side of the bed. Now this is a late fall garden and all the plants are about the same size, but the tallest plants would go on the north side of the bed. The mid-sized plants would go here in the middle, such as squash or maybe it's peppers or eggplant. And then on the south side of the bed, you would put the lowest plants, of course, such as maybe sweet potatoes that trail as a vine, or maybe it's bush beans. So that's how you would orient it. And of course, if you live south of the equator, all that's reversed. So the tallest plants go on the south side of the bed. Now, you might have enough room between your garden space where all the beds are far enough apart, so it maybe doesn't matter at all how you orient the plants, even within the bed. But give thought before you do your planting, because the proper exposure has everything to do with the productivity of your garden space.